Hi guys, in this video we talk about Xiaomi 13 Ultra versus OnePlus 12. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra launched on April 2023 with a price tag of $999. The OnePlus 12 launched on December 2023 with a price tag of $799. The body dimensions of Xiaomi 13 Ultra: height 6.43 inches, width 2.94 inches, thickness 9.1 mm. The OnePlus 12 dimensions: height 6.47 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 9.2 mm. The weight of the device is the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 227 gram and the OnePlus 12 comes with 220 gram. The build: Xiaomi 13 Ultra front glass, eco leather back and aluminium frame. The OnePlus 12 front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both model dual SIM port with nano SIM card. The display of the device is the Xiaomi 13 Ultra and the OnePlus 12 come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color, and the screen size Xiaomi 13 Ultra 6.73 inches, the OnePlus 12 come with 6.82 inches, and the port device come with 2K screen resolution. Xiaomi 13 Ultra come with 522 ppi density and the OnePlus 12 come with 510 ppi density. Xiaomi 13 Ultra come with 120Hz refresh rate and the OnePlus 12 same 120Hz refresh rate. The OnePlus 12 come with 90.8% skin to body ratio and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra come with 89.5% skin to body ratio, and the OnePlus 12 come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra come with Gorilla Glass Victus protection. The OnePlus 12 come with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra come with 2600 nits peak of brightness. And the camera setup of the device is the Xiaomi 13 Ultra come with quad camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide with 1 inch sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and a 50 megapixel telephoto camera with Leica lens, and it's record 8K 24 fps video. The OnePlus 12 comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto with Hasselblad color calibration, and it's record 8K 30 fps video. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 30 fps video record. The OnePlus 12 comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 60 fps video record. The platform of the device is the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex X3. The OnePlus 12 comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and the OnePlus 12 comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm chipset. The OnePlus 12 comes with Adreno 750 and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Adreno 740. Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Android 13 MUI 14 operating system. The OnePlus 12 comes with Android 14 Oxygen OS 14 operating system. The memory setup: the OnePlus 12 comes with 12GB, 16GB and 24GB of RAM. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. The OnePlus 12 and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card port in both devices. The battery backup of these devices: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 4700 mAh battery. The OnePlus 12 comes with 5400 mAh battery. OnePlus 12 comes with 100 watt fast charging and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 80 watt fast charging, and the OnePlus 12 comes with 50 watt wireless charging, and the same Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 50 watt wireless charging, and the both mobile come with 5G network support. The common and the feature is same, but the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with IP68 and the OnePlus 12
memory
comes with IP65 rating. And the result of the device is the OnePlus 12 got 25 points and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra got 19 points.
battery comms and features.